On October 12, 1994, a trio of entertainment players, film director Steven Spielberg, former Disney executive Jeffrey Katzenberg, music executive David Geffen founded DreamWorks SKG, named obviously on their surnames, the SKG. To build a talent base, Spielberg brought over artists from his London-based studio Amblin Animation, while Katzenberg recruited some of the top animation staff from Disney. And some of the artists came to DreamWorks in 1995, and obviously with Geffen, they got the music part all kind of merged together. So they were now going to create the Ultimate Studio. Unfortunately, the studio closed in 1997, very shortly after they opened. But DreamWorks started to produce computer-generated feature films, beginning with Ants in 1998. The same year, A Bug's Life came out by Pixar. Then they produced The Prince of Egypt, which used both CGI and hand-drawn animations, basically. In 1997, DreamWorks partnered with Aardman and did Chicken Run, which came out in around 2000. But the film was already underway before DreamWorks came along. They just basically produced it and distributed it. But in 2001, DreamWorks did Shrek, and it went on to win the very first Academy Award for Best Animated Feature Film. The studio has, basically released about 38 films by now, notably the Shrek series, Madagascar, Kung Fu Panda, the Kung Fu Panda series, How to Train Your Dragon series, The Croods, Trolls, and the Boss Baby franchises. So they're doing pretty well. As of May of 2019, their feature films have grossed over 15 billion worldwide. I should probably get a more accurate number on that, but so I think they're over about 16 billion probably by now. Now that it's like about a year since then, since that figure has been released. So anyway, DreamWorks.